Introducing the next truck, every other truck will start chasing. The Ram Revolution. A concept born from our obsession with creating a truck that's more productive, more intuitive, and more powerful than any truck we've ever built. It's how we've been thinking since 2009, pushing the boundaries and making the most powerful, most advanced trucks for real truck drivers. Everything we do from this point forward will come from this moment, this concept, this redefinition of what a truck can be. The truck industry is due for a revolution, and it makes sense that Ram would lead it.
Where your roots run deep, work's never done, rust never sleeps. Gonna live that way till my heart don't beat. Rain's gonna fall, creek's gonna rise. After it all, the sun's gonna shine. Stand your ground, plant your feet. Gonna live that way till my heart don't beat.